Would you buy or would you sell? Price action edition. You have 5 seconds to decide. All right, your time is up. Now let's analyze it together. First of all, we can see that price broke this trend line. And if you draw another trend line across the highs, you'll notice that this forms a rising wedge, which is typically a bearish signal. Next, we can also see that price broke the trend line and pushed below this support level, which has now turned into resistance. Not only that, we can also see that when price retested the newly formed resistance, it rejected with a pin bar, followed by a bearish engulfing candle. Now that's more than enough confluence to go short from here. So we take our trade from this level, set our stop loss just above the pin bar, and our target at the trend line lows. And as you can see, take profit got hit. Follow for more.